Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Vikas and Renu, for joining in. We are stepping into part number 2 of the book, which talks about what impacts our emotions. Okay? From this beautiful book, Master Your Emotions. Let me quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read together. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
All right. So now we are on part 2 of the book, which is going to talk about what impacts your emotions. And let's read what does Om Swami say. He says, your mind operates on a famous computing principle of GIGO. That is garbage in, garbage out. If you do ill, speak ill, and think ill, the residue is going to leave you sick. If you do well, speak well, and think well, the outcome is going to be well. How was that? Emotions are complex, and a variety of factors influence how you feel. In this section, we will cover some of the elements affecting that what drives your emotions. The good news is you have some control over them. If we exclude spontaneous emotional reactions resulting from your survival mechanism, most of your emotions are self-created. They result from the way you interpret thoughts or events. However, these aren't the only elements that affect your emotional state. Your body, your voice, the food you eat, and how much you sleep also plays a role in determining the quality of your emotions and therefore the quality of your lives. Let's see how each of these elements impact your emotions. पहले तो बताओ अगर आपकी इमोशनल टर्मोइल के थ्रू जा रहे हो what is it that is not going right? Your body, your voice, the food you eat, or how much you sleep. इनमें से कुछ है या सब कुछ है?
सब
थिंक।
कुछ है.
वाह। और पता है हम लोग इमोशनल ईटिंग भी बहुत सारी करते
Yes, very much. I eat a lot nowadays. Age factor. When I was in my teens, कुछ होता था तो I used to eat less.
हैं।
And less meaning I never used to eat anything because of some turmoils going on. But now my body needs
मोर
that
फूड।
more food. I don't know why, because it gives me ऐसे कि हाँ I'm doing something, और मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है वैसे खाती हूँ तो. I don't know why.
आई रिमेम्बर जब मुझको गुस्सा आ जाता था। अब तो आता ही नहीं, आई थिंक बहुत रेयरली आता है, और अगर आता होगा तो मे बी आई हैव लर्न हाउ टू चैनलाइज इट। बट वेन
Yes.
नॉट मैरिड और बच्चे भी छोटे छोटे थे, तब अगर मेरे हस्बैंड से लड़ाई होती मैं भी आगे आगे बोलती थी। तो व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन, एक बार लड़ाई कर ली तो लड़ाई के बाद आई वुड स्लीप ऑल डे लॉन्ग। पता नहीं, ऐसा लगता था मेरी एनर्जी सारी खत्म हो गई है विद दैट शाउटिंग, एंड आई वुड स्लीप ऑल
True,
डे।
true, very true. I can resonate that. Yes.
And
So how did you channelize?
I don't know, with time I realized कि why should I waste my energy on something that is not serving me?
Right, right.
मतलब अगर
Absolutely.
किसी को बोलने, when सच्ची बताऊं तो जब मैंने अपनी डॉटर को ये चीज सिखाई थी ना कि यू डोंट लुक लाइक अ पिग, इफ somebody is calling you a pig does not mean that you become a pig. That was a learning for my own self as well. The thing is कि हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हम पेरेंट्स हैं, जो हम अपने बच्चों को सिखा रहे हैं वो हम उन्हीं को सिखा रहे हैं। But the reality is that when you say something, you guide something to someone else, it is also a guidance for your own self. And you
Very.
should start thinking and reflecting on it whether you implement it or not. So that helps. तो मेरे ख्याल से that also helped me.
Thank you very much. Wonderful.
All right. Chapter number 4 जो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, that is the impact of sleep on your mood. The quality of your sleep and how much of it you get affects your emotional state. You are probably yourself. Perhaps you felt grumpy, unable to concentrate, listless, or had difficulty dealing with negative emotions. Sleep deprivation can impact mood in many different ways. According to a survey performed on people suffering from anxiety or depression, most of the respondents reported receiving less than 6 hours sleep per night. Sleep deprivation also increases mortality risk. In 2016 study conducted by researchers at non-profit organization RAND Europe estimated that people sleep less than 6 hours a night had a 13% increased mortality risk than people sleeping between 7 to 9 hours. The same study reveals that the lack of sleep costs an estimated $411 billion per year to the United States economy. Interestingly, sleep deprivation also seems to reduce an individual's ability to enjoy positive experiences. One study shows that while people who had enough sleep did experience a positive effect from such experiences, no such effect was generated in the people who were sleep deprived. देर इज सम मूवी जिसके अंदर मैंने ये भी देखा था कि एक लेडी थी जिसको नींद नहीं आ रही थी बिकॉज ऑफ सर्टेन थिंग. आई थिंक हर डॉटर वाज अनवेल, जिसकी वजह से शी वुड नॉट स्लीप एंड शी वॉज सो वरीड अबाउट हर डॉटर कि वो बिल्कुल भी एक मिनट भी रात को 5-7 नाइट्स ऐसी हो गई कि शी डिड नॉट स्लीप. एंड इट हैपेंड एंड हैपेंड एंड हैपेंड एंड इसके बाद ऐसा हुआ कि महीने महीने नहीं वो सो रही थी, because of which she got so depressed, so agitated, so frustrated that she started running into this क्या कहते हैं जो भी rehabilitation center, injections दे दे के उसको सुलाया गया so that she gets better. So if you do not sleep, if you're not getting enough sleep, this is a very risky state to be in. So you must make sure that you sleep enough. Now, how can you improve the quality of sleep is a question that many would have, and this book has also shared that. There are many ways to improve the quality of your sleep. Let's go over some of them. Point number 1 says, make sure your bedroom is pitch black. Many studies have shown that the darker the room is, the better we tend to sleep. In your room, if your room isn't pitch black, what can you do to make it darker? Maybe you can buy a sleep mask or curtains that do a better job at blocking daylight. So I would love, if you have a problem in sleeping, I would love for you to, check as to what is the problem that is, keeping you awake and how can you resolve it through any of these, or maybe 2-3 you can use at the same time, or maybe agar ek bhi kaam karta hai, to how can you use it and, implement it in your life. Point number 2 says, avoid using electronic devices. This applies to smartphones, tablets, televisions, and the like. According to Sleep Foundation organization, studies have shown that even our electronic devices emit sufficient light to miscue the brain and promote wakefulness. As adults, we are subject to these influences and our children are particularly susceptible. A 2014 study published in PNAS showed that melatonin, a chemical which helps regulate sleep patterns, was reduced by 50% in participants who read with electronic devices rather than books. These participants took about 10 minutes longer to fall asleep and lost 10 minutes of deep sleep, also known as REM. Participants also reported feeling less alert in the morning. If your device has a light setting for nighttime use, it may still have negative impact on your sleep, but just test the night setting and see if it makes a difference to your sleep patterns. If you absolutely have to use electronic devices at night, consider wearing glasses that block the blue light they emit. It's best to put the glasses on a few hours before you go to sleep. So this is one way, or the other way is just have a digital detox. It is said that you must have digital detox every single day. Rather than वो सारा दिन का digital detox करो, it's better that you decide for yourself कि 10 बजे के बाद no phone, no electronic gadget. अभी जब आप बोर हो जाओगे, what will you do? Either you will do some hobby, some painting, some coloring, some book reading, some, I don't know, knitting, some embroidery, something, some crochet, कुछ करोगे. But the fact is that थोड़ी देर में आप बोर होके you will say कि चलो I'm done for the day, let me sleep. और मे बी अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं करते हो तो आप सो ही जाओ, क्योंकि you get bored while doing nothing. And the best thing that I find is जिस दिन नींद नहीं आ रही है, मेडिटेशन करने बैठ जाओ. मेडिटेशन करते हुए सबको बहुत जल्दी नींद आती है. That brings us to point number 3 that says relax your mind. If you're not like me, you may have all kind of thoughts running through your head when it's time to fall asleep. I tend to get very excited about new ideas I have and things I want to do. As a result, I often feel as though there are so many things I could have completed during the day. And these feelings make it difficult for me to sleep. Aside from turning off electronic devices before bed, I have found that listening to soothing music really helps. Reading a physical book can also help me relax as long as I don't get too excited by the book, which has been known to happen. And this is what is for my daughter. वो जब भी पढ़ने बैठती है, she says कि अच्छा ठीक है, before going to bed I will read, and she ends up reading for so many hours and she doesn't even feel asleep because her mind gets activated when she starts to read. So now I started telling her कि नहीं, you are not going to read in the morning, you read in the daytime. रात को you listen to soothing music and sleep. Now पिछले 4-5 दिन से she is sleeping very early. Point number, I think 4. Point number 4 says avoid drinking too much water within 2 hours of going to bed. This one is obvious, but still worth mentioning. If you have to go to bathroom in the middle of night, it's going to interrupt your sleep pattern. This, of course, will probably make you more tired the next day. Okay? And last but not the least, have an evening ritual. This alone will help you fall asleep more easily. It's best to try going to bed at the same time every night, including the weekends. If you like to go out during the weekends and stay up late, this will present a challenge, but I encourage you to give it a try and see how it goes. An evening ritual will also help you stay on track with your morning ritual. It will be easier to wake up every day at the same time without feeling tired if you have a morning and a night ritual. If you do go out and stay up late during the weekend, one thing you can do is still wake up as early as during the weekdays and have a couple of naps throughout the day as necessary. So this is the kind of morning and night ritual they have given. But for my kids, when they were really young, for me and my kids, the night ritual used to be that we would chant some mantras, we will do some Om chanting, do some Hanuman Chalisa, and then I would ask them to jitne bhi years ka jo hai, they will sit for meditation and then they will sleep. So one was 2 years old, one was 7 years old, एक 4 साल का, एक 7 साल का, ऐसे था. So after 2 minutes, I would say, Noor, you can go to sleep. Then after 4-5 minutes, I would say, Angel, you can go to sleep. And then 7-8 minutes, I would say, Ananya, you can go back to sleep. And since I am now 34, 37, 38 years, I will sleep. I will sit for till then. Somebody, if you are up, you let me know, or else I'll sit and sleep myself. So that was a rule in the house कि जो जितने साल का उसको उतनी इतनी देर तो करना ही है मेडिटेट. तो बच्चे कई बार my daughters would be, अभी मेरा नहीं हुआ क्या, मेरा नहीं हुआ क्या, I am feeling sleepy, मेरा नहीं हुआ क्या, and I would be like, नहीं, you have to still sit. And after that point in time, I would tell them कि okay, now you can lie down and sleep. Was I watching the time? No, I was not. But never watching the time कि हाँ 2 मिनट हुए कि नहीं हुए. I just randomly told them कि अच्छा ये अभी लग रही है, गिरने वाली है, इसको बोल दो हो गया इसका. But that was a very good way. Some parents, what they do for as for my brother, their daughter's sleeping routine is कि before going to bed they will read a story. Always they will read a story. They will read 1, 2, 3 stories and she goes off to bed. She knows this is a silent, routine which says that now is the time that you go off to bed. For my kids, they knew that this is the routine, इसके बाद सोना है. तो what happens, आपका अपने आप ही वो अलार्म बजना शुरू हो जाता है बॉडी का कि अच्छा इसके बाद ये है, इसके बाद ये है, इसके बाद तो सोना ही है. तो you get used to this thing. अपने दिमाग में घंटी बज जाएगी कि अच्छा अब ये होना है, अब ये होना है, उसके बाद हमने सोना है. तो किड्स ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हमारा दिमाग अपने आप उसके अंदर रिदम में चलना शुरू हो जाता है कि हाँ अब स्लीपिंग उसमें जा रहे हैं मोड में. इफ यू हैव डिफिकल्टी स्लीपिंग वेल, try to implement some of these mentioned above. The best advice I can give you is to keep trying different strategies until you figure out what works best for you. All right, that's the end of the chapter. Tomorrow we will be reading about using your body to influence your emotions. But before we end, I would love for you to, share your insights. What is one strategy that you are going to use to, improve your sleep? Feel free to share that. You're on mute, Renu.
Oh, very sorry. And I started speaking, as usual. Always want to speak.
It's okay. No, it's good. It's okay. It's good. Hmm.
One thing I do daily, that is digital detox.
Hmm.
And yes, I do means lot of the way you were saying ki better to give 2 to 3 hours of detox. And अगर long span दिया तो फिर problem and I this is right, long span मैं दे देती हूँ 8 hours का, ठीक है, जैसे तो फिर I stay awake at night sometimes कि यार मेरा जो बैकलॉग है वो मैं देखूं करूं आंसर बैक करूं, अच्छा नहीं लगता सबको, भले फिर वो 2 बज जाता है. बट टुडे आई गॉट दैट इनसाइट with this chapter, like example you said relax your mind, and जो एज है वो एज वाला meditate करो. This is the best thing, in the chapter. Best thing. Relax your mind. But it is there, if I am 50, to do I have to, means it's not written somewhere, na, कि नहीं 50 minutes ही करना है.
नहीं
20 minutes, minimum 20 minutes.
ना ना,
Because
मैं
in
तो वो भी नहीं कहती. I don't even say that. I say do it for 5 minutes. पहले
for me,
हाँ,
inside I'm 20 years old.
नहीं, if you're starting off with meditation, I would say 5 minutes बैठो, अलार्म लगा के बैठो कि 5 मिनट हो गए बंद. अगले दिन
नहीं, I do meditation. I do.
ओके. तो मैं नॉर्मली यही सोचती हूँ कि अगर मेरी रूटीन हट जाती है मेडिटेशन से, आई पुट 5 मिनट्स अलार्म, अगले दिन 6 मिनट्स अलार्म, अगले दिन 7 मिनट्स.
This is the way. Yes.
जस्ट इमेजिन विद इन 30 days कहाँ पहुंच जाऊं.
I started with only 3 minutes, when I started my meditation, only 3 minutes.
एग्जैक्टली.
Because, but now, as we grow into this thing, na, we get to know ki if emotions are coming, let them come. If things are coming, let them come. If images are there, if some, if bad things are also there in your memory or somewhere, and it comes, whenever we sit idle and
क्लोज
we you
करके ऊपर
keep
आते हैं.
quiet, जैसे ही अपन मुंह बंद करते हैं ना हमारा दिमाग शुरू हो जाता है.
एब्सोल्युटली.
नहीं, क्योंकि जब हम बोलते हैं तो हमारा दिमाग चुप हो जाता है फॉर अ वाइल, कि हम बक 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 करते हैं एंड हमारा दिमाग स्टॉप हो जाता है. और जैसे ही चुप होते हैं, 5 मिनट भी चुप होंगे या 2 मिनट भी चुप होंगे, तो आप यू पॉन्डर ऑन दैट, and that ponder gives you insight, sometimes clarity, sometimes confusions also. It's okay. It's okay. Other day you said acknowledge, accept, and then release is the best way to do that.
So there are.
Whatever it is in your life, whatever it is in your life, just acknowledge it, accept it, and then but release also. That is the main part of the process.
हाँ, तो एंड हाउ टू release is on to you.
Yes, very true, very true.
अभी आप
Because
करके निकालना है कि आपको स्मार्टली निकालना है. हाउ डू आई यूज इट, हाउ डू आई यूज दिस, वट एवर नेगेटिव इमोशन भी है उसको भी आप कंस्ट्रक्टिवली यूज कर सकते हो.
very true, very true, very true. Like the thing you started with what with us, like कि अगर आपका दिमाग ऐसा हो रहा है, मतलब डिप्रेशन एंजाइटी हो रही है, तो समटाइम्स यू आर स्लीपी. मैं डेरे से आई अभी, तो मैं बहुत स्लीपी बिकॉज ऑफ सम इमोशंस वर देयर. सो आई वाज मतलब एकदम आवाज यू हर्ड मी ना, राइट, इट वाज वेरी लो हेलो. So, but I kept on doing that ki nahi, I want that shift. If I'll sleep whole day, and that mood of mine will be in that level only. I want to evolve every day. It's a process for everyone. Like positive, negative is there.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hmm.
Plus, I was giving example of mine only. And wonderful that I joined and मेरा आवाज निकली and I'm not sleepy right now. Shifted. Wonderful.
Audible? मेरे लैपटॉप में अरे am I audible?
Now you're audible. Now you are.
And am I visible? Am I visible?
You're not audible and I can't